Welcome back, everybody. So, if you're a focused learner trying to wrap your head around how the factories, farms, and energy grids of tomorrow are literally being built right now, well, you've landed in the absolute perfect spot. In this explainer, we're unpacking the incredible modernization of traditional industries, and we're going to look specifically through the lens of one of the companies really leading this charge, Devi Automation Solutions. We're going to see exactly how they take complex, heavy-duty industrial challenges and just solve them with cutting-edge, elegant technology. All right, here is our quick roadmap for today. We'll start with the future of technology, jump right into core automation, scale up to AI and remote monitoring, step outside for smart agriculture and energy, and then wrap the whole thing up with the DVI advantage. Let's get moving. Section 1. The future of technology, leading the change. You know, we hear about the rapid pace of technological evolution all the time, right? But the source material captures it perfectly with a powerful statement in Tamil that translates to a universal truth. Technology is changing the entire world, and Devi Automation Solutions is acting as a true pioneer at the very forefront of that change. They aren't just sitting back reacting to the future, they are actively engineering it, applying it to the massive systems that actually power our world. And when we talk about engineering the future, the sheer breadth of their reach is wild. We are talking about a comprehensive ecosystem of modernization. It spans from heavy industrial automation all the way across to home automation, AI, robotics, and even stretches outdoors to smart agriculture and solar energy. It's a truly holistic approach to making our physical world way smarter. Which brings us to their core pillars: smart technology, powerful solutions, better tomorrow. This isn't just some catchy marketing tagline. It's literally the architectural blueprint for everything we're about to dive into. Because let's face it, you can't get to that better tomorrow without a rock-solid smart technology foundation today. So let's look at what that foundation actually looks like. Section 2. Core Industrial Automation Solutions, the muscle of the operation. Okay, so every modern futuristic system absolutely needs a strong physical backbone. I mean, you can't have a smart factory without some serious heavy lifting. We're talking about PLC programming, which are essentially the mini computers that control the machinery, along with HMIs, those digital touchscreens that the human operators actually use, and SCADA systems that scoop up and monitor factory-wide data. These are the deeply integrated systems that tell those massive machines exactly what to do, which drastically increases a factory's sheer production capacity and drives up overall efficiency. Now let's see how this all builds into specific control frameworks. It neatly organizes into two camps. On one side, we have the hardware control, stuff like MCC, PCC, and automation panels. Think of this as the rigorous industrial standard equipment that safely routes and manages the electrical power. But then, on the other side, we have smart motor control, specifically VFD drives. VFD stands for Variable Frequency Drive, and honestly, this is where the magic happens for energy saving. Instead of a motor just running at full blast all the time, a VFD intelligently adjusts the motor's speed to exactly what is needed in that exact millisecond. And there's a massive insight here regarding those VFD and motor control solutions. The corporate brief highlights a quote in Tamil that translates to a huge operational advantage. VFDs aren't just about making a machine spin differently. They drastically reduce your electricity costs while simultaneously boosting performance. So you save money and you get better output. It is a total win-win for literally any industrial operation. Section 3, AI and remote monitoring, the brain and nerves. So we've built the muscle, we've powered the motors. Now we need to zoom out a bit and look at how software gives these machines unparalleled intelligence. It's really interesting how two massive buzzwords are contrasted here: AI and IIoT. Think of artificial intelligence and robotics as the intelligent brain of the operation. It handles machine intelligence and predictive maintenance, so the machine is literally smart enough to tell you, hey, I'm going to break down, before it actually breaks down. On the flip side, we have the IIoT, the Industrial Internet of Things. If AI is the brain, IIoT is the nervous system. It connects the whole shebang together, pushing data into cloud analytics and unlocking real-time remote monitoring. And the sheer power of that nervous system is summed up perfectly by another translated core tenet. Through industrial IoT, you can monitor your machinery from anywhere in the world. Think about that for a second. A factory manager doesn't need to be standing right next to a loud, dangerous machine on the shop floor anymore. They can keep tabs on the entire automated setup from their phone or a cloud dashboard. That is absolute control on a global scale. Section 4, Smart Agriculture and Energy, Beyond the Factory.
Now we're stepping completely outside the factory walls to see how these super advanced industrial concepts are being creatively applied to nature. Just look at this step-by-step evolution of modern farming. It kicks off by deploying industrial-grade sensors straight into the soil to check moisture and nutrients. Step 2 is smart water management, where it analyzes that data in real time. And step 3 is the big payoff: automatic irrigation. We are taking traditional, labor-intensive farming and turning it into this highly intelligent, resource-saving machine. It ensures crops get precisely the water they need. No more, no less.
But wait, what is actually powering all these smart farms and automated factories? Well, that's where Devi's solar energy solutions come into play. They take all their engineering expertise and apply it to green energy. Whether they're scaling up massive solar farms or just installing super efficient rooftop solar systems, it's all about providing low-cost, eco-friendly electricity. Because to make this high-tech future actually work, it absolutely has to be sustainable. Section 5. The DEV Advantage: Building a Better Tomorrow. So we've seen the tech, we've seen the incredible applications, but at the end of the day, execution really comes down to 4 foundational pillars: quality, innovation, reliability, and customer satisfaction. When you are overhauling a massive factory line or automating a huge agricultural footprint, you literally cannot afford downtime. These 4 pillars are the true bedrock of DV's successful projects. They perfectly blend bleeding-edge innovation with rock-solid reliability and customer service. So I want to leave you with a bit of a provocative question to chew on, especially if you happen to be an industrial owner, a facility manager, or even a large-scale farmer listening to this explainer. Think about your operations right now. Is your business genuinely ready for a smarter tomorrow? Are you still relying on those clunky legacy systems while your competitors are out there adopting AI predictive maintenance and cloud monitoring? Because honestly, that is a make or break question for the survival and growth of any modern enterprise. If the answer is no, or hey, if you're even just a little curious about what an upgrade looks like, here's exactly how you take that next step. You can reach out to DV Automation Solutions directly. Whether you need to implement AI, IIoT, smart agriculture, solar energy, or just upgrade your physical control solutions, you can reach them by phone at +91 95855 16318, or drop them an email at dvautomationsolutions@gmail.com. Or just explore a bit further on their website at www.dvautomationsolutions.com. It has been absolutely fantastic unpacking this incredible intersection of heavy industry and digital intelligence with you all today. Companies like Devi really prove that when you combine smart technology with powerful solutions, you truly do build a better tomorrow. But the big question remains: as the world automates at lightning speed, will your business lead the charge, or are you going to get left behind in the industrial dust? Keep learning, keep modernizing, and we will catch you in the next explainer.